in the recent past, at least in the last 24 to 48 hours, we have seen some shortage with respect to COVID vaccine. And although our markets have been relatively stable with respect to the COVID surge that we have seen, or the second wave of COVID surge, as compared to what we saw last year, back in the month of March 2020, when there was a knee-jerk reaction. Markets tanked more than in double digits in March 2020, but then we saw a sort of a reversal in the year April 2020. But if in this that is 2021, markets have been resilient, not just for India but across the world. But yeah, a shortage, can that be a dampener, a sentiment dampener?
Morning, Satish. I don't think the markets are going to look at a shortage as a permanent thing. Most markets will be relatively longer outward looking, and any shortages in the vaccine are likely to be addressed within the next 2 or 3 months. We've had about 9 crore people in India vaccinated. In all likelihood,
Right.
we're going to need 60 crores vaccinated before we reach some kind of comfort on vaccination numbers. So the
Sure.
vaccination is probably going to continue for the rest of the year. So a shortage now will not mean a shortage in July and so on. So, but I do think that lockdowns and stopping of economic activity could
Right.
have some kind of impact on the market. However, the market's flush with liquidity, both from India and abroad. More than $120 billion has made its way to India in different ways in the last 1 year. We're
Sure.
seeing more in April. So I maybe the flow of liquidity might arrest the temporary reactions like lockdowns for the next 1 or 2 months and
Right.
stabilize the market. But markets are meant to be volatile, so I wouldn't be surprised with some kind of a fall on some kind of external news.